Welcome to Display Lab.
To get started, create your account at displaylab.net. You can click the Create button or sign up easily using your Google or Facebook account. Congratulations! You've already completed that part. Now, please check your email and open the Successfully Registered email or Activate Your Display Lab account email. The next step is to install the Display Lab app on your device or TV. Once it is installed, open your TV settings and enable Display over other apps or allow background app permissions for the Display Lab app so it automatically runs when the TV turns on. Once it's installed, open the app and you'll see your unique pairing code. Remember to allow storage permissions if prompted. From the CMS dashboard, click on Add Screen and enter your pairing code and put your screen name.
You can also choose your playlist here once it has been created.
It's time to upload your content. Click on the Upload button in the CMS and add your videos or images to your asset library. Next, let's organize your content by creating a playlist. Head over to the Playlist menu, create a new playlist, add your media, and set the play animation and timing. Finally, go to your Playlists tab and select the playlist you want to send to your screen. Once you've chosen your playlist, simply hit Send and your content will live on your display. Now you're ready to enjoy your content live on screen. Thank you for choosing Display Lab.